All right, so this is Virgin Galactic on the daily chart. And you can see this roundabout bottoming, potentially accumulation phase taking place. This price was making lower lows. RSI was making higher highs, right? Bullish divergence. You have the 1326 crossover and above the 50-day moving average in red. However, the 100-day and the 200-day is going to serve as headwind. From a price action standpoint, the chart suggests short at the weekly sales level at $2.65. If we scroll up to the weekly chart, you can see that formation a bit better. You had a drop in price, one little basing candle, and then the drop. Again, weekly chart, lower lows, RSI, equal lows, bullish. So despite the bullish price action, we did get some bearish sentimental news. So space is the final frontier, and it looks to stay that way after Richard Branson, the billionaire, mind you, ruled out further investment in Virgin Galactic, his troubled space tourism company. Shares of the stock fell more than 50% after the announcement. Now, he helped take Virgin Galactic public through a SPAC a couple of years ago, but said he's tapped out. Even though billionaires have money with a high interest rate environment, they're not looking to just piss money away. So Virgin Galactic stock enjoyed support in 2021, rising to well over $50 per share. I should know. I got in early and got out at 40. Once the Federal Reserve began raising interest rates, however, capital became harder to come by. Equity investments now must compete for capital with bonds that offer a solid return. This is a true for Branson's empire as it is for anything else. Branson told Financial Times that he no longer has the deepest pockets, but the Virgin Galactic can succeed on its own. Morgan Stanley gave up on the company a few weeks ago, given the stock an underweight rating. At the time, the author wrote about the company didn't appear to be a viable business. Branson's Virgin Investments is still the second largest investor in the company, coming in just under State Street with 8% holding. So you really want to follow State Street. If they start selling, then that's additional bad news. Looking forward, the company has been working on a new plane for launch in 2025. It claims that the Delta class space plane will be able to carry 6 passengers instead of 4, as well as require less maintenance between flights, launching as much as twice a week instead of once per month. So this is big because to operate these things, first of all, they cost about $40 million a piece, and then the operator, you're talking in the hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. So you need capacity, and if a ticket costs say $250, you need a couple of flights a month, right, to even break even. The fate of the Delta space plane is now up in the air, but Virgin Galactic remains in the business. The firm ended September with $1.1 billion in cash after losing $105 million during the third quarter. So that at that run rate, that gives them enough cash to fund business for another year. Hopefully, within that year, they become profitable. Again, going back to the stock charts. On the weekly chart, we can see price is being supported by this 13 simple weekly moving average at $1.90. Good for the bulls. Going back down to the daily chart, we have sideways price action. All right, so that's going to remain that way until you get a break down to the bottom or break up to the top. Now, it would have been cool if price action or price was near this weekly seller level when the news came out. That would have given more reason for it to short the stock. But let's put this here. This could have been an area to go long, right? Support, breakout, pull back. For me, it's a no touch. You get up here, you can sell, potentially get back down to the 180, you can buy. In the middle here, it's called chop zone. Let me know what you think in the comments. Are you a buyer? Are you a seller? Are you holding? Are you spectating? Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.